The benefits of the 7-day AI skyscraper go beyond speed. These advanced structures are a testament to modern engineering and innovation. The use of AI leads to significant cost savings. By automating many of the processes, we can reduce the overall expenses associated with construction. Materials are used more efficiently, reducing waste. This not only helps in cutting costs, but also ensures that resources are utilized to their maximum potential. The faster construction time means lower labor costs. With projects being completed in a fraction of the time, labor expenses are significantly reduced. Furthermore, these buildings are designed with sustainability in mind. They incorporate the latest in green technology to ensure minimal environmental impact. AI optimizes designs for energy efficiency, reducing the building's carbon footprint. This means lower energy consumption and a more sustainable future. The use of recycled and sustainable materials further minimizes the environmental impact. By choosing eco-friendly options, we are paving the way for a greener tomorrow.
Section 5. Overcoming obstacles, reaching new heights. While the potential of the 7-day AI skyscraper is immense, challenges remain. The construction industry is on the brink of a revolution, but it's not without its hurdles. One concern is the potential displacement of construction workers. As AI and automation take on more roles, the human workforce faces uncertainty. However, this technology is more likely to create new job opportunities in AI programming, robotics maintenance, and more. The shift will require workers to adapt and learn new skills, opening doors to advanced technical roles.
Another challenge is ensuring the safety and reliability of AI systems. With machines taking on critical tasks, the margin for error must be minimized. Rigorous testing and fail-safes are crucial to prevent accidents and ensure smooth operation. Engineers must continuously monitor and update these systems to maintain high safety standards. As we address these challenges, the 7-day AI skyscraper will transform our cities and the future of construction. The integration of AI in construction promises not only efficiency, but also the potential to reshape urban landscapes, making them smarter and more sustainable.